How to join Roblox private server links on mobile. So first off, you just have to copy a private server in any websites. So for me, I just have my own server in here in my notepad, and as you can see, you should copy this in your web browser, or you could see this and just click this Google, and it will open in web browser, and it will automatically go to your Roblox. This is a private server, okay? And once this will load, it will automatically go to this private server. As you can see, it is joining server. Make sure you just have to copy that into your web browser. And once that's done, as you can see in here, I am in the game, and this is a private server. What I'm joining right now is a private server. And that's just how you join the server. So all you have to do is just to copy the link of the private server, and after that, as you can see, this is a sample way of a link of a Roblox server. And after that, you should just um just long press all of the link, and you could press the Google in here, or you could also copy that and just go to your Google, and once you are in here, you should go and just paste it, and that's it.